Oh, your hair looks awesome, Bodie. Alright, guys. Same deal. We're going to be videotaping again today. Just do your best and be best behaved. Why? Because I want to watch how good you guys are for me. Need to watch it later. Okay, so today, what are we going to be talking about? What do you guys think?
Get to sing and dance.
We're going to sing and dance about what? What are we going to sing and dance about? Triangles. Oh, so, without further ado, okay, we're going to watch and listen to it first, and then we're going to watch it again, and we're going to sing and dance to it, okay? Okay, let me make sure the volume's up. Ooh, it is up all the way.
It's probably
okay. Let's go, folks.
You guys all here?
yeah.
We're talking about angles. We're talking about angles. We got acute ones, we got obtuse ones, we got straight ones.
She's making
we got right ones, we got acute ones, we got obtuse ones, we got straight ones, we got right ones. We're talking about angles. We're talking about angles. One more time. We got acute ones, we got obtuse ones, we got straight ones, we got right ones, we got acute ones, we got obtuse ones, we got straight ones, we got right ones. But what about triangles? I don't know. Should we sing about those? Okay. We're talking about triangles. We're talking about triangles. We got scalene, no sides are the same. We got isosceles, there's two sides, two the same. We got equilateral, three sides are the same. We got equilateral, three sides, three the same. We're talking about triangles. We're talking about triangles. We got scalene, no sides are the same. We got isosceles, there's two sides, two the same. We got equilateral, three sides are the same. We got equilateral, there's three sides, three the same. Yeah! Angles, triangles. Woo!
Alright, so that should have seemed pretty familiar to you guys, right? We talked about acute, obtuse, and right, what? Angles. And then we talked about the triangles, which were equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. So let's take a look at that one more time. And I want you guys to do the moves that this young lady's doing over here, okay? So we have acute. Why is this acute?
Because it's like a triangle.
It's little. Sage helped us out. It's little. It's a cute little angle. See how I'm not all the way to 90 degrees yet? I'm smaller than 90 degrees, okay? And then she goes obtuse. Obtuse.
Okay, those moves are going to be harder than that.
It's bigger?
It's bigger than 90 degrees. You see that?
Yeah.
Obtuse angle. Yeah, Bodhi? Thank you for raising your hand.
Every time when I do my hands up, probably kind of feels like I'm burning up because it hurts.
Oh, it hurts?
And usually inside.
Do you know what you can do? You know, we can modify the dance move a little bit. If you want to do it with your hands, does that hurt? Is that okay?
That's fine with me.
Okay, you can do acute, obtuse, and then what do we do for right?
No side.
Right is 90 degrees. You see how, remember how we had, it fits right into the corner. See that? 90 degrees, perfect right angle. So if you want to do 90 degrees, Bodhi, 90 degrees. Okay?
Yeah, I
Everyone
got
else can do 90 degrees if you guys can move your hands that way, okay? So those are our angles. What did she do for equilateral?
Equilateral.
We have equal sides, right? 3 sides the same. Good job remembering those lyrics, Sage. So she kind of goes equal, 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 equal. Like, see how she's doing like equal sides? They all are the same, okay? And then triangle, right? And then for scalene, what's a scalene triangle?
I didn't do anything.
Well, it's no sides the same, right? So it's kind of like scalene. She just looks like confused. No sides the same, right? Okay, and then isosceles. What do you think, Tyler? How many sides does isosceles have? The same.
Triangles.
Isosceles. Ugh. What do you think, Tyler?
I don't know.
Look at my fingers. I'm giving you a hint. How many sides the same?
I
don't know.
2 fossils means
Tyler?
2 are the same.
Bodie is helping you out. How many sides the same, Bodie?
2.
How many sides the same, Tyler? 2 sides the same. So we do isosceles. See, 2 sides the same. All right, so we're going to give that one more listen. Someone want to go ahead and... Whoops.
What types of names?
That's not the one we wanted.
YMCA.
It's like DMAC.
All right, here we go.
Oh my gosh,
Are you just sing and dance?
You want to learn a cool sound to remember what angles and triangles are which ones? Yes, please. Okay, let's go, folks. We're talking about angles. We're talking about angles. We got acute ones, we got obtuse ones, we got straight ones, we got right ones, we got acute ones, we got obtuse ones, we got straight ones, we got right ones. We're talking about
Nice. I saw some good arm
angles. We're talking about we're talking about angles. One more time. We got acute ones, we got obtuse ones, we got straight ones, we got right ones, we got acute ones, we got obtuse ones, we got straight ones, we got right ones. Oh, what about triangles?
Triangles.
Should we sing about those? Okay.
Here we go.
We're talking about triangles. We're talking about triangles. We got scalene. No sides are the same. We got isosceles. There's 2 sides the same. We got equilateral. 3 sides are the same. We got equilateral. There's 3 sides. 3 the same. We're talking about triangles. We're talking about triangles. We got scalene. No sides the same. We got isosceles. 2 sides. 2 the same. We got equilateral. 3 sides are the same. We got equilateral. 3 sides. 3 the same. Yeah.
Nice, Tyler. Love it. Good job, guys.
That's funny.
You guys were rocking that song and dance. I love it. What, love? All right. So we're going to do a quick review. Thank you, Mrs. Bear. So we already talked about types of triangles. We have 2 differences. What are the 2 things about triangles that we talked about?
We learned about they have 2 sides are the same.
That's isosceles, you're right. And when we talk about 2 sides the same, we're talking about the sides of the angles. So sometimes triangles have different lengths of sides. Yes, Bodie?
I smell that ravioli right now.
Yeah? Funny.
I'm not really kidding. I still smell it.
Oh, okay. Well, sometimes triangles have different sides, and then we're going to flip real fast and look at sometimes triangles have different
Angles.
Angles. Very good. Okay, so we're going to start with sides here.
They look all like the
Equal,
same.
equilateral. How many sides the same?
3.
3 sides the same. Nice job, Tyler. An equilateral has all 3 sides the same. Do you see that?
Yeah.
They all look the same. Now let's take a look at the next one. An isosceles triangle. Bodhi?
I just want to say these two pictures are the same from the other one.
Oh, they might look the same, but they're a little bit different. Oh, are you saying they're the same on this one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're right, because sometimes triangles can have different angles and different sides, but see how it has different sides, but it also has acute angles. And we're looking at 2 different things, right? They're 2 different things, okay? Yeah, buddy?
I didn't know that. So.
Yeah, now we're learning things. Pretty cool, right? All right, so equilateral has 3 sides the same. Isosceles. Isosceles.
Has
2 sides.
2 sides, 2 the same. Okay, where are my 2 sides that are the same here? Bodhi, you want to come point them out?
1, 2.
Well, here's one whole side.
Oh yeah.
That's a whole side. So what are my 2 sides that are the same? We have 1, 2, 3 sides. Which ones are the same? Here, do you want to draw it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, those are our angles.
Darn it.
Angles. Sides are different from angles. The sides are what connect the angles together, right? So our sides are from here to here, here to here, and here to here. So what are my 2 sides that are the same? Which ones look like
the same.
which ones look like they're the same length? And maybe if you take your hands and do this. So they're there. Which one matches that? Which side matches that length? Here to here and here to here, right? So this side and this side, right here, are the same. So we have an isosceles triangle. You see how this side is longer? That one's longer than the other one. So that one's not the same. It's not an equilateral triangle. It only has 2 the same, right? All right, thanks, Bodhi, for helping us out. We're going to take a look at the 3rd one. Scalene. What was our scalene triangle, Sage?
no sides of the same.
No sides the same. That was our mixed up one, right? No sides the same. Here's a short little length, really long one, and a really long one. All of them are different sizes, okay? All right, those are our sides. Sides of triangles, okay? Now we're switching. Switch gears in your head.
Oh, how cute.
Angles of triangles. You guys know these words. We talked about them before spring break. Bo, do you want to help us out with this one?
Yeah.
Where are my acute angles? Okay.
Cute angle. Well,
Oh, no, I think Sage just had a thought.
I'm angling, and it's acute because it's
You're right. It's smaller than that 90-degree angle, right? See how it's a cute little angle? Yes, Tyler? Okay. Thank you, Bodhi. So this one, an acute triangle, has 3 acute angles. Tyler, you want to help us out with the right triangle?
It's 920.
Thank you. How do you know if a triangle is a right triangle? Right triangle?
Tyler's washed that fires.
A right triangle. What do you think, Tyler? Let's take a look right here. A right triangle has one what?
Angle.
What kind of angle?
Right.
One right angle. What was that shape we used with our hands to show a right angle? Do you remember? Show me with your hands, everyone, right now. Right angle. Perfect. Perfect angle with your one arm perpendicular to your other arm. Good job. We know that word too, right? Remember we learned that word too?
Yeah.
All right, last one. Obtuse angle. Lily, what do you think? Why is this an obtuse triangle?
It's so big.
It's so big! Where's our obtuse angle in this obtuse triangle? We have two acute angles, so two little ones, and one big one. Where is our big obtuse angle? Can you spot
I think
it?
something went in my eye.
Uh-oh.
It stung when I put on my glasses.
Oh my god, cute.
Yeah, we got these two, so what does that leave? Okay.
I guess I'm gonna be fine.
You alright, buddy?
Yeah.
You need to go to the restroom to wash it out?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Probably not
One
just nothing. It's
is
probably just stinging.
Which one? Come show me. I would love for you to point it out.
Just nothing. It's probably just something that's
Ba-ding!
stinging.
Right there. Obtuse angle. See how it's bigger than the right? Like if this was a right angle, it would go perfectly straight up from this line. But it's bigger than that. Bigger than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle, okay? Alrighty. Mrs. Bear, would you mind getting the lights for us, please? Thank you. Alright, I need you guys to take a look up here for me. This is going to be the sentence that you guys use to describe the triangles for me. We're going to do an example really fast.
Whoa.
It says select the equilateral triangle. So say I'm one of you guys. I'll come up here. I'll look at my equilateral triangle, but I'm not going to touch it yet. I'm not going to touch the equilateral
What if you
triangle.
did touch it?
I'm going to come over here. Hold on one second, Tyler. I'm going to explain the directions. I'm going to point to the triangle that I pick. I'm going to say, that is an equilateral triangle because, and then you choose why you think it's an equilateral triangle. In this case, I'm thinking, equilateral, all sides the same. So I'll look at my triangles. That, I think, is an equilateral triangle. So I picked, that is an equilateral triangle because it has 3 equal sides. Okay? See how I did that? And then I'd pick it, and I was right, because it says correct answers fly away.
Wait,
Okay?
they fly away?
They fly away. They're gone for good. We picked
What?
our equilateral triangles.
That means they just disappear.
They just disappeared.
That's
Alrighty.
creepy.
So who wants to give it a whirl first?
I love
Cheers.
Look at that.
Tyler, why don't you go ahead and come on up? Okay, so first we're going to look at our triangles, point to the one that you think is an equilateral, and then we're going to use our sentence to describe why we think it's an equilateral triangle.
Where is it?
Alright, so point first. Don't touch it yet. Okay, so you think that is, these are your sentence right here.
Angles
That
is an equal because
why?
it has
Has no equal sides. Was that our description of equilateral?
No.
Equilateral.
Oh.
How many sides?
Oh.
I want you to do it, Tyler. So you point to the triangle that you think is an equilateral triangle. You changed your mind. Why'd you change your mind?
Because I was wrong.
Nice. Okay, tell me why that is an equilateral triangle. So that is
An
equilateral
triangle.
because
Because it
choose from one of these options. Are we talking about angles or sides?
Sides.
Sides. So does it have 3 equal sides, 2 equal sides, or no equal sides?
It has 3 equal sides.
Very good. Let's put it all together now.
That's in this. That is in
Equilateral.
equilateral triangle. Because it has a 3 equal sides.
Perfect, Tyler. Awesome. Do you want to go touch it, see if you were right?
What?
Do you want to touch the triangle, see if you're right?
Woohoo!
Awesome.
I thought it would just disappear like magically, not
No,
fly
it
away.
flies away. Okay, just as a group, can you tell me, are there any more equilateral triangles on this page?
No.
Nope. We're moving on.
Boo.
Okay, scalene. Who wants to try it? Sage, come on up.
Darn it.
Okay, you pointed to it. Now use the sentence to describe it. Would you say an? That is an scalene? That is a scalene. Woohoo! Perfect on the first try. Now, I'm going to say that really loud for everyone to hear, okay? She said that is a scalene triangle because it has no equal sides. Remember? Scalene, no equal sides. All right, Bodhi, you were super anxious to come up here. Why don't you give it a whirl? All right, point to it first. Okay, now use your sentence.
It has.
Oh, let's start up here.
That is an equal triangle because it has 3 equal sides.
I love the way you just said that sentence. But, real fast, let's check out. It says select the scalene triangle. So are we looking for equilateral triangles right now? Nope. You found it, though.
I thought,
All right, so let's try and find a scalene triangle. There's one more left.
this one?
You tell me.
Scalene
Scalene has,
no equals.
you're right, no equal sides, but really fast, look at these 2 sides.
It has sides.
They're equal, right? So which one has no equal sides? Right here, if you folded it in half, would it match?
Try again.
Whoops, sorry, that was loud. You told me no sides the same, right? We know that that's a scalene triangle. Now, which one has no sides the same? This is an option 2, it just isn't white. There it is! Good job, Bodhi. No sides the same.
Sage, what are you doing? Turn down the volume.
Okay. Are there any more scalene triangles on this page? No. You got it, Tyler. You did it. Okay.
What the?
Oh, are you okay?
I accidentally hit my hand.
All right, Lily, it's your turn. Isosceles. Isosceles. How many sides the same?
It's hard for me.
All right, so let's say it all together.
That is a because it has 2.
Has 2 equal sides. Perfect. All right.
Somehow I changed when I got my glasses back. And new medicine.
Try again.
Ooh, that one does have 2 equal sides, but does it have more than 2? It's 3 equal sides, you're right. has a little or really long one and a medium one. Does that have two sides the same?
No.
Remember, when we think of an isosceles triangle, when we think of two sides the same, think of drawing a line down the middle of it and folding it over. If you think it would match perfectly, it's an isosceles triangle, okay? All right, Sage, why don't you try the next one? Isosceles.
That is an isosceles.
Perfect. Isosceles what? Isosceles what? Triangle. Very good, Sage. Woohoo! Nice! I love it, I love it. Okay, any more on this page?
Nope. No.
All right, moving on.
What the?
All right, these ones are filled in yellow. Okay.
Really do.
Let's see, who hasn't done two yet? Tyler.
I haven't done two.
No, you did two on one.
Oh. That I did two.
Okay, Tyler, come on up. Point to your triangle that you think is a right triangle.
What's that smell? What's that smell? Ravioli.
Ravioli and grilled garlic bread.
What are you gonna have? Ravioli, Bodie?
Yeah.
That's all.
No.
All right, Tyler, point to the one. Don't touch it yet. That is what?
Cold lunch.
You're trying.
That is a
Right triangle. Because
what?
sides. It has three equal.
Now, when we talk about right triangles, are we talking about the side? Hey, you guys, I need you to pay attention to this. We're doing math right now. Okay, when we talk about, someone try to help Tyler out. When we talk about right triangles, are we talking about sides or angles?
Angles.
Angles. Right. Right angles.
Right.
Remember?
Right angles.
So let's take a look. That is a, we said, right triangle because, so we're looking at angles.
Angles has three acute.
Does it have three acute angles? No.
It has one obtuse.
Does it have one obtuse angle? No.
It has one right angle.
Does it have one right angle? Yes! Nice! Okay, so pick your right angle.
Try again.
Let's look at this. It has three angles like this. What kind of angles are those? We got a cute.
Acute.
Yeah. So these are all acute angles, so that would be an acute triangle. Where is our triangle that has a right angle? So you want a piece of paper to try to put right into the triangle? Definitely give that a whirl.
I wish I had my red binder because it has all my.
You want to just fit it right into the angle? Try that. Remember how we did that? You check the angle. See how it doesn't fit right into the paper? Right into the corner?
Find a corner where it will fit, Tyler.
You want to try that one?
Find a corner where that will fit. Put it on the corner.
Nope. Doesn't
Okay.
fit right in
So
that
try a
corner.
different triangle.
Nope.
Nope. Alright, let's try another one. Try another triangle, Tyler. One that you think has a square. It's going to have that perfect 90-degree angle.
Nope.
You're getting
Check
closer,
that top
though.
one. Look at the top one of that triangle. Slide it all the way to the corner.
Try the other corner. This one right here. You try that one?
Oh,
Does it fit right into the angle? It fits right into the angle. So that is a
Acute.
say it again. It fits
Right
right.
triangle.
right. You're right. It fits right into the angle, so is a right triangle. Good job, Tyler. Alrighty, so you want to press that one, see if you were right? Nice!
I know.
Okay, let's see, who's up next? Lily! Lily.
I look at that.
She
Help
goes.
us out. Alright, point to your triangle. You want to use this too. You can use this. Fit it right into the angle. She caught herself. Okay, now tell me why.
That is a
Oh, sorry.
right angle triangle
Very good.
because it has three sides.
Are we talking about sides or angles when we talk about right triangles? Are we looking at this part of the triangle or these? These are the angles. So we're looking at the angles. So we're going to be choosing one of these three things.
It has to be acute.
Let's see, this one's definitely acute. Definitely a little one. This one's acute. That one's right, so that doesn't work. What are our other options?
It has one right angle.
There it is! Nice, so let's do it all together.
That is a right angle.
Right?
Because it
One right angle. Perfect.
Might want to push that.
Oh yeah, go.
Oh, yeah, go for it, Lily. So. Nice. Alright, are there any more right angles on this page? No. Let's double check.
Yes.
Oh, that doesn't fit. That doesn't
Try
fit.
again.
Oh, he's telling me to try again.
I'm gonna
Nope.
turn that
Acute. Acute.
Try
Acute.
again.
Why do you keep saying that?
Because I'm pressing it too hard. Obtuse, acute, and acute. That's not going to work. So those are all not right triangles. Next one. Obtuse. Let's see, Sage. How many have you? Oh, yep, you're up. Come on down, Sage. Okay, point to your triangle. We know the drill. Okay, tell me why. Use your sentence over here.
That is a obtuse triangle because it has one obtuse angle.
Oh my gosh! Nicely done! That was awesome. Now go see if you're right. Kind of gave it away, but
Yeah.
woohoo!
Nice job, Sage.
Very good. Okay. Who wants to do the next one? Let's see. Lily's gone twice. Tyler's gone twice. I believe it's Bodhi's turn.
All right, maybe
I'm
just raise your
ready.
hand.
Finally!
Oh, okay, obtuse.
Okay, let's point to that triangle.
Check it with the card.
Yeah, if you need to use the card. I'll tell you something. This one's kind of tricky. This is a tricky one. You probably got the hardest one yet. Is that bigger than 90 degrees?
No.
No, you're right. So that's not gonna work.
It is? Yep.
Definitely not.
Yep.
Now we gotta make sure we check all the angles, because remember, we only need one obtuse angle for it to be an obtuse triangle.
Try again.
Oh,
Not that.
Not that one, no. Keep going, try the others.
yeah, make sure you try all the angles. Remember, triangles have 3 angles. Oh! Oh gosh, it gotcha!
So, Bodhi, tell us what it was.
There we go.
This the whole time.
It was that one the whole time. Now tell me why.
It was a obtuse.
Obtuse what?
triangle because one side, it has one obtuse angle.
Perfect. You described that exactly right. All right. Are there any more obtuse angles or obtuse triangles? Sage says yes. Oh, did we already find that one? You're right. Thanks, Lily. Okay. These ones, do they have obtuse angles?
No.
If you want to try it. Actually, you know what, Sage? I'm going to make it even harder on you. Before you press on them, I want you to tell me what kind of triangle it actually is.
It looks like a play triangle.
This is
It looks that way.
Ow.
Might be pretty close to
Try
a
again.
isosceles. Kind of looks like it has one shorter size.
Don't press it too hard.
It looks like it might be equilateral, but if you kind of step back a little bit, these two sides look a little bit longer than this one. So if this is shorter, but these two sides are equal, isosceles. Very good.
Try again. Try again. Try again.
She was right. Okay, last one, guys.
Finally.
Acute.
But
Let's
kind of not that kind of fun.
How about Tyler? You want to give this one a try?
Yeah.
Point to that triangle that you think it is.
This one shut. Do you
I love how you're checking your answer with your card.
what teachers do?
What does teachers do when they respond? What?
Do your books say?
Remember, we're looking for acute.
Try again.
What's an acute triangle?
What is
Tyler?
acute, Tyler? Yeah. What is acute?
You remember our shapes that we did? We got acute ones.
Acute ones
Are big or small?
big.
Acute ones.
I know. I keep dropping my pencil.
Big or small?
Small.
Small. They are small. So we're looking for angles that are smaller than 90 degrees.
Try again.
Don't press them yet.
Right.
So find, hey guys, pay attention. One of you might be next, so you gotta pay attention to see how Tyler's figuring this out.
Keep it off the board.
Don't
Keep
press
it
it.
off of the board. But that fit, didn't it?
So if this fit right into the angle, what kind of triangle is this? Right into the angle.
Yeah, right.
So it's right? Are we looking for a right triangle? No, we're looking for acute. So that one's not it.
That kind of looks like it.
A little bit.
This one.
You think that one? Can you tell me why, Tyler?
This is a clear triangle. Because angles. It has 3 acute angles.
That's the definition.
Oop, was that the one you picked?
Oh, very good.
Perfect. I love it, Tyler.
Tom gets a whiplash.
I had
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I did.
1, 2, 3. Lily, come on up.
Try again.
Oh, now why did you pick that one? You kind of got ahead of yourself. That's why we're doing the sentence thing, because it might have made you realize that it doesn't have 3 acute angles. Though it has 1, you saw this one. Does it have 3? Nope, it has a right angle, so that's a right triangle. We need to look for one with how many acute angles? Don't? Okay. see that brain whirring. She's really thinking. Oh, which ones are we looking for right now?
Acute.
Okay, so
That is an acute triangle.
good.
Because it has three acute.
I love it. You described it. Now, can you find it? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Remember, 3 acute angles. Check all 3 before you press it. They're all going to be little. There we go. I love how you're using that card.
Oh, you said it. Nice job. You said that was obtuse, so that can't be it. Very good.
Oh, those are out.
You are using great problem-solving skills, Lily.
I am 2. 2.
Wait, what did you just tell? What did you just say?
Oh, now he's saying
I heard you say acute, 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 and then you moved on. There it is. Ta-da! I think that's it. Yep, that's the end of our slides. You guys rocked that. Not only did you show me that you knew what the triangles looked like, but you told me why they were that kind of triangle. You used a sentence to describe why you knew it was that kind of triangle. So I definitely know you know this stuff. Awesome, awesome job today. Perfect.
Very good. They have just a couple minutes so they can fill out your assignment books. Do that
Okay.
for me. Sage and Lily. Bad news, I never got your homework to you yesterday. So you get it today. Okay. So go ahead and fill out your assignment books. We'll check that. Let me pull up Dino Dig for just a couple minutes.
Dino Dig.
Maybe.
Is that okay?
Yep, that sounds good.
Oh, sorry.